Okay, so the other day I told you that I was gonna try to get this tree that I cut down a while back. It was hung up in another tree and I just left it, but it appears that it's broken. It's fallen somewhat down, not all the way on the ground, so it's not rotting. So I'm gonna try to get in there and get it today. Since I made that video, this is what I call the briar patch. It's a, believe it or not, a Star Trek reference. It's just full of briars. Now, I've tried to clean this up before. It was a nightmare. It's all on video somewhere. But obviously a lot of it grew back. Once I got in here, I realized there was nothing I could do with it. And here's why. I got all these, it's just a trash pile. It's just, that's all it is. It's just trash. You can't get the lawnmower in here, stumps. People have suggested that I burn this. The problem with burning is my water is not, I don't want to say reliable enough, but that's what I've been telling people, is it's not reliable enough in case something goes wrong and I need a lot of water. If I run the well, for example, then if I run the well dry, then I won't have enough water to get it out. If I run the IBC tank down here, you know, that's like a gallon and a half, 2 gallons a minute, something like that. There's just not a lot of water that comes out of it. So I'd have to run the well and the IBC tank. And it's just, I think it's too risky, to be honest. And I think I have every right to say it's just, I think it's too risky. So I think we'll just leave it. And in the summertime, this is nice. It blocks us from, you know, prying eyes. It's keeps everybody's business away from us. There's 2 cedar trees I cut down over there. I'd like to get those out one of these days. Just have them for poles, but it doesn't matter. So anyway, I'm going to try to get in here and cut this. I got my little Ryobi girly saw. Last time I was using this, somebody said, "What are you, a girl?" Yep, I'm a girl. Now, first of all, somebody's going to ask, why is the blade upside down? Because you want your blade to wear evenly. So you can see that it's wearing on this side when it was down. So you turn it upside down, so it'll wear on this side now. You can do that as long as you have 2 oil port holes, you know, oil port on your chain or on your bar on both sides. Yeah, this is a girly saw. I hear you. The nice thing about this is if I'm not cutting a large diameter log, I don't risk coming down, hitting the ground with the, well, I reduce my risk, I should say, coming down, hitting the ground or hitting something, a rock over here or something, coming back and hitting me in the head. You want the smallest blade possible to do the job. It's just safety. So you can say, I'm a man, I got a 24-inch chainsaw. Well, I've seen many men on YouTube whack themselves in the head with the chain. It's not something I would want to do. So you be a man all you want. I'm going to be a girl. And no offense to the girls, that's what he said. So I'm going to put you on my forehead. Wear my glasses, my safety glasses. They're not safety glasses, they're just glasses. But somebody's going to say, you need all the safety equipment. Sometimes that safety equipment becomes more of an unsafe practice than just doing without it. I use this so infrequently that the rubber components just wear out from the gas. I had to replace the priming bulb yesterday. I just fixed this up the last spring, I guess. Yeah, last spring. Here I'm having to replace that bulb. Trying to find the best way through. I think this is it. Okay, so here's the tree that I've been wanting to get to. Okay, I'm measuring the length of the log. So the blade, the bar, to the green here, what I measure it to. When you're swinging your blade like this, you got to be extra cautious that you don't hit your legs. That's the time that people get their legs the most. So I'm gonna have to look at my chart again, but I'm kind of thinking that might be red oak. I'm not really sure. Could be sycamore. Sycamore always fools me, but we'll take a look. So now I'm just going to throw it out there into the yard, and then when we get back, we'll load it up into the beast. Well, it didn't make much, but that's okay. That's probably 3 weeks worth of firewood for us, though. Not a big job for the first job of the beast. It all adds up. Knocking down a tree here or there. So, I have a great life. I think my day's done. So if you'll click this up next box, it'll take you to a video where it's working on something. Hope I can inspire you. Have a great life. So you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.